Makũchi 25 a irabu itiganĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ mathiĩte na mbere kwamũkĩra mathomo ma kothi ya CAFB gũkũ Nairobi ũmũthĩ arĩ thikũ ya kerĩ. Amwe a kochi aya nĩ Francis Chege, kochi wa 3KFC kuma Embu, ateithĩrĩria a kochi irabu-inĩ cia Vihiga Queens Harriet Fakiri na Kakamega Homeboys Jeff Odongo. Rĩrĩ rita rĩa gatano kothi ĩno ĩrathomithanio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, itanya arĩ kũguna makĩria rigi cia mbeũ njĩthĩ na cia airĩtu rungu rwa ũtongoria wa Salim Ali na Leonard Odipo. FKF ikiuga mathomo maya no matanyĩte kana no matafanĩtio umithio mũnene makĩria timu-inĩ ya bũrũri ya airĩtu ya under 17.
Is being handled as a coach. It is very important for coaches to be knowledgeable, and it is important because now we'll be doing the right things. We'll try to develop the players in the right way.
In the bench, you find at least the players and the coaches understand what they are supposed to do. So implementing has been easy because you find you're doing the same curriculum. So even if my head coach is not there, I still know what to do because now we have the knowledge.
Even the coaches handling the national teams are a product of the trainings at FKF. Some of them had made that decision before to be coaches, but there was no forum to educate them. So when we started this, we started by training trainers who are now at the educators in the game.